Understanding pH levels. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a scientific term that you might have heard before, pH level. This phrase is often used in various contexts, including chemistry, biology, and even everyday life when talking about things like soil, food, and more. So, let's dive in and learn what pH level means, and how to use this phrase in English. First, let's break down the phrase pH level into two parts. The pH is a scale used to specify how acidic or basic, alkaline, a water-based solution is. It ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. A pH less than 7 indicates an acidic solution, while a pH greater than 7 indicates a basic solution. The word level in pH level refers to the position or concentration of acidity or basicity in the pH scale. So when someone talks about the pH level of something, they are talking about how acidic or basic that substance is. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how to use pH level in context. 1. Environmental science. The pH level of the lake has dropped, indicating increased acidity which could harm aquatic life. 2. Gardening. Different plants require different pH levels in the soil to grow well. 3. Health and beauty. The pH level of your skin's protective barrier is crucial in keeping the skin healthy. In these examples, the phrase pH level is used to discuss the acidity or basicity of lakes, soil, and skin, showing its relevance in various fields. Sometimes, people might get confused and think that a higher pH level means more acidic. But it's actually the opposite. Here's how to remember it. The lower the pH level, the more acidic. The higher the pH level, the more basic. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on what pH level means in English. We've talked about its definition, how to use it in context, and cleared up some common confusions. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!